What up everyone? So this will be the part 2 for the number plate lights, aka the license plate lights. Why I'm doing this video right now and I'm doing a part 2 because I want to show you at night how it looks like, so it will be brighter. Alright, let's check them.
Are you guys ready to check them? This will be my first time too, at night. Holy cow. They are so bright. They even go to the floor. Shit.
They're bright. Now let's check the headlights to compare if there's the same color at night.
Yeah, they're really bright as.
They're pure white LEDs. Let's try the high beams. Those are the low beams. This is a 3-in-1. Day running light, low beams and high beams with the same bulb. These are the low beams right now, so let's check the high beams. Oh shoot, those are the high beams. So I'm gonna do the conclusion for this video. I really love the license plate lights. They're really bright. Even the front headlights, they're both LEDs. But my only complaint is the number plate lights in the back. Like the color wise, I mean it's like 6,500K. There's a blue tint. There's more blue tint on more than the front. Like the front it's really pure white, but the back it's like the number plate lights are like there's more blue to it. But I can't complain for the brightness. They're both really bright. So yeah, I'm glad. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe. Stay healthy, stay strong. Peace.